Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In the previous video, I gave you the pattern for Infosys, okay, but there is an official confirmation from Infosys that there is a slight deviation in the pattern, okay. So there are few changes which are made. So earlier, as we discussed, there were only 3 sections. Now there are totally 5 sections, okay, and the total duration of the test would be 100 minutes. I'm talking about the written test, okay. So now there are 5 sections. As I already told, section 1, which has 15 questions, okay. So there is no change in this section where there are 15 questions and 5 questions will be from syllogisms, okay. 5 questions will be from data interpretation and 5 questions will be from data sufficiency, okay. So these 15 questions, there is no change at all. Now what about this mathematical ability? Again, there is no change here. So here there are 5 questions coming from data arrangement, okay, data arrangement, and 5 questions are from numerical ability. So what is this numerical ability? Profit and loss, probability, all this comes under numerical ability. Okay, now talking about verbal, okay. So this time verbal will not have 40 questions, okay. As I told you in the last video, there are 40 questions. This time it is not 40 questions. This time there will be only 20 questions. But the good news is you will have 20 minutes to do it. Earlier it was 40 questions and 35 minutes, okay. Now it is 20 questions and 20 minutes, which is a lot better, okay. But the pattern, there is no change at all. There is no change in the pattern. You will have 5 sections in these 20 questions only. And the what you call sections would be sentence correction, okay, sentence correction, sentence completion, sentence improvement, okay, critical reasoning, and reading comprehension. Okay, and the number of questions, there will be 4 questions here, there will be 4 questions here, there will be 4 questions here, there will be 3 questions here, and there will be 5 questions here. One set of reading comprehension. Totally there will be 20 questions, and this is how it is divided, okay. So the first section, second section, there is no change at all, but the third section, which is verbal ability, instead of 40 questions, now you have 20 questions, okay, and instead of 35 minutes, now it is 20 minutes, which is a lot better actually. But there are another 2 sections which are added, okay, pseudocode, okay, 5 questions, and puzzles, 4 questions. Now what are these puzzles? These puzzles would mostly be based on figures, okay. It will be mostly be based on figures, or I would say figure series, okay. It will be based on figure series, okay, and in this figure it can be involved a bit about numbers also, okay, numbers also, number series also, okay. So basically it is a number series which is given in a diagrammatical form, okay. That is what is this section. And about the 4th section, pseudocode, you already know, if you have attempted a Capgemini drive recently, especially for the 2021 pass out students, if you have attended it, okay, you will know that there was something called pseudocode round, right, where you need to solve the logic, okay. A logic will be given and they will ask you the output of that one, okay. Output of that particular logic will be given. So this is what is the new pattern here, okay. And if I have to talk about the cutoff, generally the cutoff for Infosys will always range between 60% to 70%. Now if you are if you want to be very sure, okay, try to get 70%, because they will never cross the cutoff, or they will never the cutoff will never exceed 70% for Infosys. It will always be less than 70%. So if I am talking about 70%, okay, so out of these 15 questions, how many questions have to be right? Out of these 15 questions, 11 questions have to be right, okay. Now it's not very easy, but it's not tough also. Now out of these 10 questions, you need to get 7 questions right, okay, and out of these what you call 20 questions in verbal, you need to get 14 questions right. Out of these 20 questions, you need to get 14 questions right. Okay. Now, what about the pseudocode and puzzle? Is it the same? No, this will not be same. Out of these 5 questions, you need to get 3 questions right, and out of these 4 questions, you need to get 2 questions right. That is what is going to be the cutoff. Okay. So, if you can plan your test accordingly, okay, I don't think it is very difficult. You can still do it. I would say just because of this verbal ability, I would say the test pattern is actually simplified. It's not as difficult as it was previously. It is actually simplified. Okay, so this is this is all about the pattern, guys. So in the next video, so what Infosys did is they have actually released a practice paper. Okay, so in the next video, I am going to solve all those questions along with puzzle, pseudocode, verbal, mathematical ability and reasoning ability. I'm going to solve all this because Infosys has already released a practice paper for the students. Okay, so I'll do it in the next video. Okay, so till then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you so much.